While the Dawn News investigation team was in Usta, it received a call from a journalist in Jacobabad reporting that another case of honor killing had taken place there. 3 people had apparently been shot dead over an alleged dispute involving money. But the matter was being given the color of an killing which unfortunately is seen not as a crime but a custom. Our team rushed to the Jacobabad Civil Hospital from where the bodies were about to be moved. We talked to both the parties involved in the crime to get to know the facts of the case. First we met the brother and the nephew of the slain Ghulam Rasool Jakrani to know the reasons behind the killing. Both said it was a dispute over a money matters, but the killing was being painted as one involving honor to twist the facts.
इसके पास भी जकरानी के पास भी पैसे हैं सर 70,000 होगा फिर कुछ दिया कुछ नहीं दिया दूसरे कौन पर भी पैसे हैं जब भी मेरे जो भा इधर शाकल जी मेरे भाई का जी जी
गुलाम रसूल क्या काम करता है?
जी सिंगल मोटर का व्यापार जो व्यापार सफर कर रहा है जी उसी को बावजूद शाम 5 बजे के टाइम में उमरानी पास आए उमरानी वो जो दूसरा कौम है वो जो है कैसर शाह नज़ीक को वो बैठे हैं उधर वो उसकी घर में आया था वो इसकी बुलाया बाबा मेरा पैसा तुम अपना पैसे दे दो वो आए इसके साथ बैठे किचारी कर फिर ये जो उठ कर गए बोला हम तुम्हारा पैसे लेकर आऊँगा ये गए रात का शाम टाइम मैं आप खुद नहीं था मेरा वो जो लड़का था वो है गुलाम हैदर ये मेरे भाई के साथ इकट्ठे था बोला यार मेरे को रात फ़ोन किया रात 12 बजे में मेरे को बोला आपका भाई मारे हैं मेरा चाचा मारे हैं
कल शाम की उसके लिए घर गया हूँ पैसे के लिए
ये इनके साथ
हाँ चाचे के साथ गया हूँ उसने बोला है भाई हम तुम्हारा पैसा देंगे तुम जाओ 70,000 फिर उधर तो कुछ नहीं होगा उमरानी के होता गए उधर से गोली चला दी है भाई को
वहाँ से गोली चलाई किसी
जी जी
पता चला किसने चलाई गोली?
हाँ उस समय सारे पहचाना है 4 आदमी पहचानता है हम
तो वो कारोकारी कहा गया है कि ये कारा है और वो दूसरा कोई कारी
ये बुढ़ी कारा होता है ऐसा है तो सारी बुढ़ी है ये बुढ़ी इसको पीछे दी दिए भाई ये कारा है वो पास में
उन्हीं ने ये इल्जाम लगाया
हाँ इल्जाम लगाया बुढ़ी इसको पीछे दिया भाई ये तुम्हारा चाचा काला है
The team also talked to the sister, one of the 2 women slain in the so-called Karokari honor killing.
नाहक ज़ुल्म कुराड़ी मुंहिंजी भेण कुराड़ी तव्हां ॾिसो सभु फकरा ॾिसो कुराड़ी आहे न ज़ुल्म
गाँव है प्यारो
A local journalist, Haider Maksi, explained.
गुलाम रसूल भुगटी पहले मसला अफराद ने उसको फायरिंग करके हलाक किया फिर घर का जाके अपनी बीवी और अपनी माँ को जो है हलाक किया और उसके ऊपर जो है सियाहकारी का इल्ज़ाम लगा दिया।
असल वाक़या क्या था?
असल जो वो ये कह रहे हैं कि जो मकतूल गुलाम रसूल भुगटी की जो फ़रक़ेन है वो कह रहे हैं कि ये पेमेंट का चक्कर था और पैसे वसूल करने के लिए वहाँ पे गांव पे गया था जिसको वहाँ पे हलाक किया है और जो दोनों गांव हैं तकरीबन 8 किलोमीटर की दूरी पे हैं जहाँ पे पहले मर्द को हलाक किया फिर 2 औरतें को हलाक किया है।
The Dawn News investigation cell does not rule out the possibility that it may well be a case of dispute over money matters between the slain Ghulam Rasool Bukti and accused Ali Jan. Ali Jan reportedly owed 70,000 rupees to Ghulam Rasool Bukti. When Ghulam Rasool demanded his money back, Ali Jan asked him to come over to Pyaro Umrani's place. Some people here believe that when Ghulam Rasool reached the appointed spot, Ali Jan shot him dead. To save his life, Ali Jan also allegedly killed his wife Nazira and his 55-year-old stepmother Zargul, claiming that both had illicit relations with Ghulam Rasool. Ali Jan escaped after killing the 3. Later his son Akbar Ali appeared before the police and confessed that his father had killed his mother, grandmother and Ghulam Rasool Bukti. Back in Balochistan, the Dawn News investigation cell also tried to visit the area of Kohing Lahari, where the girls killed by their relatives were buried, but was advised by the local people not to go. They said it was full of risk. The police surgeon Dr. Shamim Mashwani, who had carried out the autopsy of 2 girls, said she also felt threatened.
There were very crazy people there and I was just saving my life there.
The Dawn News investigation cell team tried to contact District Nazim Nasirabad, Sardar Fateh Muhammad Umrani, who allegedly presided over the jirga that handed down the death sentence to the 3 girls but we were unable to meet him. His cell phone was powered off and he was not available on a landline. The FIR registered on the 23rd of last month on the orders of the Balochistan High Court has the name of the SHO Baba Court Manzoor Ahmad Syal as the complainant. The columns in which the names and the addresses of the accused should have been written remain blank. The victims shown in the FIR are named as Fatima Bibi, Jannat Bibi and Fauzia. Will these columns ever be filled with the names of those accused and who have their political influence in and beyond their village? This is the question, begging an answer. For feedback, please email us at disc@dawnnews.tv or alternatively you can write to us, Dawn News Investigation Cell, 11 Dockyard Road, West Farf Industrial Area, Karachi.